2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, navigation system, traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, center armrest, heated steering wheel, power windows, security system, compass, trip computer, fog lights, electronic stability control, heated front seats, rear window defroster, tachometer. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.